Hello everybody. So welcome to Luis Felipe Easy English, and this is another video, okay? And in this video, we're going to learn how to use the demonstrative adjectives correctly, okay? So these are the demonstrative adjectives, the ones that you can see there on your screens, okay? So let's begin, guys. First of all, we need to understand what are they for, okay? So this is the question, what are they for? And we may say that the demonstrative adjectives are good for indicating or pointing out things. Okay, you can also say point things out. Well, and additionally, we can also say that the demonstrative adjectives may indicate how close or how far a noun is. And it's pretty important to remember that this notion is relative because if something is close to you doesn't mean it's close for everybody, okay? Maybe the things that are close for me are far for you and vice versa, okay? Well, we must consider something, and in this case I have the next question, which is what must we consider before using a demonstrative adjective, okay? So first we must consider the noun is either singular or plural. And second, we must consider the distance between the nouns. Therefore, we must think of how far or how close they are from each other. And remember again that everything or if something is close for you doesn't mean it's close for everybody. Well, now I have this chart here. As you can see, I have in green color, I have singular and plural. Of course, these two words, they refer to the noun. And up the chart or above the chart, I have close and far. Okay, these two words, and they are in orange color. Okay, so this is for you to consider the proximity between the nouns. Okay, so this is the first case. Now let's imagine we are speaking about only one thing, one noun. So in this case, we are going to work on this, singular, okay? But look at this, the noun, that singular noun is close, okay? For me, is close. So when this happens, I'm going to use this, okay? This, this, that's the pronunciation. It vibrates a little at the beginning, this, okay? But what about this? I may have another case, and this is the case where I'm speaking again about a singular noun, but this noun is far. For me, it's far, okay? It's far away from me. So in this case, we are going to use that, that, okay? Now we are going to continue with the row down, okay? So here, I'm going to show you plural. So we are going to consider plural nouns, okay? But the same, in this case, those nouns, they are close, okay? For me, they are close. So if this is the case, I'm going to use these. And finally, we are on the same row, in this case, plural. We are going to continue speaking about plural nouns, but the nouns are far for me, okay? That's the idea I have related to distance, the distance between, in this case, me and, of course, the nouns. So if that's the case, I'm going to use those, okay? So if you remember this, there is no way you can make a mistake when using these demonstrative adjectives. Finally, we got the chart. It goes like this, okay? Let's practice the pronunciation a little. Repeat after me, guys. Let me show you first, of course. So we have these, that, these, those. Okay, now let's move on. And now it's time for you to analyze some examples, okay? So we have the following examples. We have, this apple looks tasty. We can also say, this apple looks delicious. So as you can see, I am, of course, here using, let me show you, yes, a singular noun, apple, only one apple. And this apple is close, okay? Related to my position, I may say the apple is close to me. So that's why I have decided to use these in this example. So this apple looks tasty. Now let's move up, let's move down. Let's move down, okay? Let's go over the next sentence. So I have chairs. Chairs, they are plural nouns. Okay, this is a plural noun. Chairs. I'm speaking about more than one chair. Okay, and let's say that for me, okay, the chairs are close. Okay, I close to my position. They are close to my position. So that's why I say these chairs. These chairs. So these chairs cost $100. These chairs cost $100. Let's go over the next example. We have plane. This is a singular noun, but in this occasion, the plane is not close to me. Let's say that it's far away. It's pretty high in the sky, okay? I cannot reach it easily. Okay, so that's why I have decided to use that in this case. So that plane is too high. That plane is too high. Let's continue down. In this case, we have notebooks. Something pretty interesting about these examples is the fact that demonstratives are not only used at the beginning of the sentence, they may be also used at the end or even at the initial part of the sentence and at the final part of the sentence, okay? At the beginning and at the end of the sentence. So in this case, the demonstrative, as you can see, is at the end of the sentence. So we have Helen wants to buy those notebooks. Helen wants to buy those notebooks. Notebooks, of course, this is a singular, a plural, sorry, this is a plural noun. And in this case, I just want to believe, I just want to think the notebooks are a little bit far away from me, okay? They're a little bit far away from me. They are not close to me. So that's why I use those. Then I have the next example, which is this car, only singular noun, only one car. This car is slow, but those cars are so fast. So this car, the one that I have here, this car is slow, but those cars are fast. And finally, I got this one. I gave my girlfriend these shoes. I gave my girlfriend these shoes. So that means that the shoes are close to me or that I may have these shoes on my hands. Okay, I may be holding the shoes like this, these shoes. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you have learned a lot. I hope you have enjoyed this one and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.